Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So, in today's video, I thought it would be fun to recreate the winner of the mob vote. So, let's go. First of all, we delete the cube because I don't know, it's just a rule. And then we add a cube again. Then we start with the feet, so let's just scale that on a bit. Oh yeah, I forgot to say the winner of the mob vote is the armadillo, by the way. Um, and before I start, this isn't gonna look anything like the armadillo. I can already tell you that. Because I'm not that good at 3D modeling, so be prepared. That's might turn out as a disaster. So scale that up a bit. Shift D to duplicate and then press X. Shift D and then Y. That's a bit too big. Shift D and then X. Shift D and then Y again. Okay, the feet are done. Um, yeah, but I'm gonna just finish this off camera because I'm not too good at talking and 3D modeling at the same time. So I will see you when it is done. Okay, yo guys, I am done with the final product, and I can say this doesn't look anything like the armadillo in the mob vote. Are you guys ready? Three, two, one, okay. Yeah, I think I created a new mob in Minecraft. I don't even know what this is, but I, yeah. Well, it was supposed to be the armadillo, but didn't turn out that way. It's fine though. At least I did it. If I wasn't recording, I wouldn't have even attempted to do this. So at least I attempted this. So that's a good thing. Now all we need to do is select every piece of it. Okay, that, wait, oh, why are, what are those? Let's just go from here to it's only here, and then press shift and then select all, go to file and then export, export file, and then put that in code, selected objects on, yeah, all the, wait, let's just, we don't want the camera, um, just tick everything except the camera, then scale, and let's make it a bit smaller, like there 0.60, and then everything else is fine. And then let's open up the project and let's see this in the Wait, whoa, wait, let me just save it again because I messed that up. Oh, I saved that under the wrong folder. I'm such an idiot. Let's go under assets, scripts, and also if you didn't watch my video on how to save Blender files into Unity, oh, this is how you do it. Okay, that's will replace that. Yeah, that will replace the dino, but we can import that again. So everything's done. Let's import it and see it in the game. And there it is. Gonna have to scale it again, but that's fine. And it has no eyes, so that's a problem. But I will re-import it into Unity after this video. Obviously the eyes won't accept, won't what's the imported, so I mean selected, so that it don't import. Yeah, but I can't believe what I've done. This is hideous compared to the armadillo. But anyone in Mojang Studios watching this, I'm right here, you need a new 3D modeler. Yes, yeah, I am, so please hire me. And yeah, I'm gonna end the video there. Peace.